Hello guys, Rally Junkie strikes again. You can see on pictures that we had a problem with our valve seats leaking. Even these valve seats were completely new. In Croatia it is pretty difficult to find good machinist. So we decided to make it on our own. You can see that we have made a little jig for valve leakage testing. We put pressurized air in chamber, 10 bar. We have put some gasoline on the back of the valve, and then it's easily to see the leakage. For new valve seats we decided to go with TROJAN. It's a copper based alloy and it's a bit softer than steel. For us this is good in two ways. It is a bit easier to cut new seats, and because it's a bit softer material, probably will seal better with steel valves. Thank you for watching and see you soon.